Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at CachyOS, a Linux distro that's been gaining buzz for its speed and performance tweaks. But is it really worth switching to? Let's dive in. What it is. CachyOS is a Linux distro based on Arch Linux, built to deliver high performance, security, and customization. Its main purpose is to give users a fast, responsive desktop environment with pre-optimized settings that make it smoother than most out-of-the-box Linux systems. How it works. Once installed, CachyOS comes with performance-tuned kernels, a sleek desktop environment, and tools that simplify package management. It's still Arch at its core, which means rolling updates, access to the Arch user repository, and full control over your system. The difference is that CachyOS focuses on optimizing speed right from the start, whether you're running it on older hardware or a high-end machine. Who it's for. This distro is perfect for Linux enthusiasts who love Arch but don't want to spend hours configuring it manually. It's also a great option for gamers, developers, or power users looking for a snappy and reliable operating system. Pros. Pre-optimized for speed and performance. Rolling release with access to Arch's huge package ecosystem, offers multiple desktop environments, free and open source with an active community. Cons. Not as beginner-friendly as something like Ubuntu. Rolling updates can sometimes cause stability issues. Smaller community compared to mainstream Linux distros. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you want a high-performance Linux distro that gives you speed out of the box without losing the flexibility of Arch, CachyOS is definitely worth trying. Just be ready for a bit of a learning curve if you're completely new to Linux. And that's it for my CachyOS review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.